Come down to the station, here's a tip for you. You will soon agree it's a jolly good thing to do. How about a journey on a steam train? It'll make you feel you haven't got a care. Yeah! Something quite romantic about a steam train. You really feel the magic in the air. The clickety-clack, the sound as the wheels are going round, and the wonderful smell of coal that fills the air. You'll really love your journey on a steam train. It's something's work, but you won't care. When you get to Palm Woods, jump out of your seat, buy yourself a ticket for a very special treat, and come along and ride the Buttram tramway. It leaves from Palmer Station every day. You'll enjoy your journey up to Buttram. There's lots of things to see along the way. Charging up the hill will really give you quite a thrill, and then the locals will blows a happy chord. So come along and ride the Buttram tramway. From Buttram it's all aboard. Now that you're in Buttram, please enjoy your stay. Join with us in sharing this very special day. So come along and join the celebration of Buttram 100 years ago. How the farmers struggle for the tramway is something that you really ought to know. It must have been a thrill to hear it coming up the hill, and at the station what a wonderful sight to see. So come along and join the celebration of Buttram Tram Centenary. Ready? Yeah, ready. Leaving from Brisbane on an overbound train. It's a beautiful day and there's no sign of rain. belong.